So welcome to this course in which you are going to learn how you can make your own personalized AI assistant. I'm your instructor Arbaz Khan and I will be teaching you how you can make your own personalized AI assistant JARVIS throughout this course. So if you have any doubts or you want to contact me, you can go to my instructor profile and you can find my social media links through which you can contact me personally. And if you have any doubts, so I can clear that doubts for you. And it will be similar from the Marvel's Iron Man movie, and the character Tony Stark has this AI assistant called JARVIS. So basically we are going to create this AI assistant JARVIS using Python programming language throughout this course. Also, all the code and all the resources will be available in the resources section of the course. So you can find all the code for the appropriate video in the resources section. So you can go and download that resources from there. So let's move into the course.